Welcome back to Way to Ask channel, where we explore effective and natural ways to enhance your well-being. Today, we're excited to share a fantastic recipe that targets belly fat using the power of apple cider vinegar. Stay tuned to learn how this simple ingredient can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. I'm thrilled to show you an incredible apple cider vinegar recipe that can help you achieve your fitness goals. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why apple cider vinegar is a weight loss superhero. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been linked to reducing body fat accumulation and improving metabolism. It also helps control blood sugar levels and curbs appetite, making it a valuable tool in your weight loss arsenal. Now, let's get started with the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 glass of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness, a sprinkle of cinnamon to boost metabolism. Mix these ingredients together and you're all set. Our belly fat busting apple cider vinegar drink is ready. It's a refreshing concoction that you can enjoy at any time of the day. Ikaria lean belly juice help to burning belly fat. If you buy this product, click link in the video description below. She is ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!